Hello, my name is Kelly Ward. I've been a nurse for 31 years. I'm currently working in day surgery, but I've been within the surgical suite for 30 years. I'm going to introduce you to my learning module, which is malignant hypothermia. It's a condition patients receive or get when they're under general anesthesia. It can last up to 72 hours after surgery. My module consists of several different learning activities, which is a pre-test, a PowerPoint presentation, scenarios, a discussion, and a final quiz. When you look at my learning module, I'll have a list of resources. On my learning activities, each activity has a link up underneath it that you need to click on, and it takes you directly to a pre-test. The other link takes you to the lecture PowerPoint presentation, and then the simulation videos, discussion, and the quiz. You've got TAC and Canvas assistance down here if you need any assistance throughout the module. The quiz is, you have to score 80% or higher, and you have multiple attempts to take the quiz. On the discussion, you need to reply initially and then reply to one peer, and it's either incomplete or complete. That's how that's graded. And the pre-test is 6 questions, and you don't get any points for that. It's just basically to see what you know about malignant hypothermia. I hope you enjoy my presentation, and I'm looking forward to learning more about your presentations. Thank you.